I started looking into what the print studio really was and what the facilities were. I realised that you did offer memberships and that there were courses that ran here as well. It's been amazing for me and being able to not just produce work here, but have the support of the shop and the gallery and exhibiting and selling my work as well. And for me, coming in really as a beginner to printing, I felt that the staff were there to support you, and so are the members. I use images that I might have found on the internet or images that I've taken myself. I do all the manipulation of the image in Photoshop, so I'm separating the elements of the image out into layers. Each pool is a different colour and that colour is another layer of the image. Gloria will hopefully be the first print in a new series, and the title of that series will be We Are. It will be a series of portraits of women, and it's women whom I personally admire. It's an image of Gloria Steinem, and she was a key voice in the whole fight in America to ratify the Equal Rights Amendment. She herself, as a result of that, was represented in the media. And some of those representations of her, they were cruel. I believe that an artwork needs to speak to the viewer, so it needs to provoke an emotion. And I hope that the print does that. But I also hope that it provokes questions around conceptions of women, the way women are represented, the way they have been and continue to be perceived in the media, in society, in culture. But before she was this lead feminist figure, she did have a job as a Playboy bunny, and I think that immediately provokes questions. Should we be looking at this? Why have you chosen that image? Is to provoke those questions and try and build that dialogue. There's gold and bronze metallic inks, and the text is printed in those inks. I was able to pin the prints up and kind of walk round about the space and look at them and look at them from different angles. And what I saw was that because the inks are metallic, the light was reflecting off of them. So it changed the way that you perceived the image. And sometimes, depending on where the light was hitting the ink, it almost solarised the image of Gloria. It kind of made her disappear a bit. And I liked that again because I thought that works with this theme of representation of women. The way that she was represented, the way that a lot of women are represented in media. How much of that representation is true?